Alright, so let's see. For this one, we're going to be creating a triad, a tetrad, and other, right? We're going to work on another one. So first thing I think we could probably do is come in here and edit our text. So we want a triad, a tetrad, and then, I don't know, for this last one, let's just say analogous. There we go. Okay, so that gets us started. Makes it all nice and clean there. For the first one, triad. Triads are pretty simple to track down because what you're going to be doing is using fully or evenly spaced, hues around your color wheel, which means if we're looking at a color wheel, it's got 360 degrees, right? And we divide that by 3, since we need 3 colors for a triad, right? That gives us 120 degrees apart. So most common one that you'll hear about is our primary triad, right? Red, green, blue, those are our 3 primary colors. So what I'm going to do is just pull those out real quick, drop a fully saturated hue there, and then from that point I can start working on making scales, basically a shade, tint shade and tone scale using these. Now, it's not ever going to be perfect. It's not like you're going to give yourself an unlimited range of colors, but you can get a pretty good selection just by using your S and B sliders. So what I'm actually going to do is I am going to let's see, what am I going to do? I think I like this green enough that I'm going to make 2 rows of that, and then I'll make 240 here. And the reason I'm doing this is, is because I see a warm color and a cool color, and then a color that's kind of in between. I don't know. I know that these technically have the same temperature, but to me, I think I can make the green go a little more. I don't know, spread out the green a little bit more. So anyway, what I'm going to do is just go tones. I think we can go tones of blue so that we get pretty dark there. The green, let's try that as well. Actually, let's just do shades of green. And you can make it as precise as you want. Really all I'm looking for is a good selection of value and saturation around these hues. You'll notice that I've got 2 of the exact same green here, so what I'm actually going to do is start that one down just a little bit. Let's go. Oops, there we go. Let's try that. That. Okay, and now red. Let's try, I don't know, maybe we'll try tints of red as well. No, I'm going to try some tones. I'm going to make sure they're lighter tones. Okay, there we go. And then that one would be done. At least the color selection would be done. If we come in here and we look at it, you can, where are you? Edit. Sorry, I haven't been in here in a few days. There we go. So edit colors, and then convert to grayscale in Illustrator. Looks pretty good, right? I'm looking at it, I see some really dark darks, really light lights, kind of everything in between. So that, I think, would be a good palette because it gives you lots of range, darker colors, lighter colors, warmer, in between. Looks good. Now the tetrad, you look for 2 sets of complementary hues. That's the real trick here. Oops. And so I don't know, I can try red as well. Complement of red is 180. I don't know, let's try 60 because that's, another good color. And then 240 is the complement of that. And there you go. And then I would do the same thing as I did here, getting tints, shades, and tones of these 4 hues. And then, yeah, as long as you've got 2 sets of complementary hues, you're good. And then analogous, I just chose that one because it's on the list, but that one is, all these colors have to be within a 60-degree wedge or a 60-degree range on your H slider. And then from there, you just label the bottoms with the adjectives.